December 29th, you know, the last week of 2023 was the 9th week in a row where the interest rates have dropped consecutively, right? So mortgage rates, this is from ABC 30. Put a link down in the description below where I got this article from. It says mortgage rate predictions 2024. Optimism as rate drops for 9th week in a row. It says U.S. mortgage rates continue to drop this week, which extends the good news for home buyers who have been facing the least affordable housing market since the 1980s. After dropping under 7% in early December for the first time since mid-August, rates fell again this week. So if you're getting any value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe. It would help the channel grow. The algorithm is telling me that over 90% of those watching are not subscribed. So please make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much. The 30-year fixed rate mortgage fell to an average of 6.61 in the week ending December 28th, down from 6.67. These are just like 0.06% difference, but it makes a tremendous difference when you're talking about a 30-year mortgage and an average home in America costing about $380,000 to $400,000, right? At least in Maryland. You know, so these 0.6% end up being like thousands of dollars over the term of that loan. According to the data from Freddie Mac released Thursday a year ago, the average 30-year fixed rate was 6.42. All right. This was the 9th straight week of declines, dragged lower by an anticipation of Federal Reserve rate cuts beginning next year. So the Federal Reserve has kind of hinted that they will drop rates 4 times this year. We'll see how that goes as they try to stem off inflation, but at the same time prevent a recession or an economic crash. It almost seems as though the economy is manipulated when they hold this and move that, and then they control job loss, and it's just, to me, it feels manipulated. But anyway, I digress. The average mortgage rate is based on mortgage applications that Freddie Mac receives from thousands of lenders across the country. The survey includes only borrowers who put 20% down and have excellent credit. A current buyer's rate may be different. So it doesn't include everybody. It doesn't include the FHA buyers. This is just for conventional loans. If you're putting 20% down, let's just say 20% down, all right? You may still be buying, doing an FHA loan and want to put a little bit more down just to knock down your monthly payment. However, Realtor.com economist Zhu cautioned not to read too much into this latest mortgage rates, saying in a statement that it is a general noisy period during this time of the year due to holiday-driven fluctuations. So they're saying, let's wait till the year settles in a little bit before we get all happy. So looking ahead to 2024, apparently the rates should continue to drop. And if that happens, people can be able to buy houses or at least afford them. You know, with the interest rates being what they are now, not too many people are qualifying for loans. When they do the debt-to-income ratio, it's just people banks don't want to give out too many risky loans, right? We saw what happened in 08, subprime loans as they're called. So the banks have been very cautious and mindful of who they approve. So it's a good sign. 9 weeks in a row, interest rates are dropping. It's a good sign for us in the real estate industry, but we'll see. It's also a good sign for buyers. It's also a good sign for sellers because some sellers have had their homes on the market. I remember I was talking to a seller maybe 2 weeks ago, like, you know, what kept the home from selling, you know, just trying to get some feedback from him. He was like, hey man, people are broke. You know, I don't see it as people are broke. I see it as though maybe they couldn't afford it because of the interest rates. They may not be broke, but they may not just be able to afford that. All right. Well, stay tuned, stay posted, and hopefully we have a good year this year. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you found it informative. My contact information is in the description below. Send me a text or an email because I'd love to help you with your real estate needs.